Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wondered why your chicken breast sometimes turns out dry and tough? It's a common problem, often due to overcooking, which rapidly drains all the delicious moisture from the meat. Uneven heating can also play a significant role, making some parts tender while others are disappointingly chewy. Understanding this is the first step, so let's make sure that doesn't happen again. For truly tender chicken, start with good preparation. Pounding your chicken breast to an even thickness is a quick trick that guarantees it cooks uniformly, preventing those dry spots. Or try a simple brine, even just salt water, for about 15 minutes. It infuses moisture and flavor, setting your chicken up for success. Pan-searing is a fantastic way to achieve a juicy interior with a beautiful crust. Start with a hot pan and sear each side for just a couple of minutes until golden. Then, lower the heat significantly and continue cooking gently, perhaps even covering the pan, until it reaches the ideal internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The secret step many people skip is resting the chicken. After cooking, don't cut into it immediately. Instead, transfer your chicken to a plate, tent it loosely with foil, and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial pause allows the internal juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and full of flavor. To take your chicken breast even further, consider marinating it for extra flavor and moisture absorption. When cooking, never overcrowd your pan. Give each piece space to brown properly and cook evenly. Finally, after resting, slice your perfectly cooked chicken against the grain, which shortens the muscle fibers and makes every bite melt in your mouth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.